Hi everyone, today I want to show you a journal that I created for a friend of mine. It's a Christmas journal and the papers that I used is this stack right here. It's by Holtz. I absolutely love this paper stack. And I also used washi tape from Holtz. Really nice designs. I'm sorry for the glare. And I also used the ephemera pack, and it comes with a lot of nice pieces. And I also used some of these stickers by Holtz. I used an image from this pack right here, the paper dolls. And it comes with a lot of beautiful vintage images. And I used this die right here. It's to create a little gift bag, and this die is from AliExpress. I also used some stamps that I purchased at our local dollar store. I used this set right here. I'm trying to avoid the glare as best as I can. And I used this set right here. And I also used this set. So this is the journal that I created, and it measures 4 by 8 inches. And I bound the journal with some wax thread, and I left quite a piece of thread on here because I don't know if my friend wants to use this maybe in a traveler's notebook or maybe as it is, so she can adhere some charms or beads onto these strings. I hand stitched along the edges of the paper, and I colored all the edges with black soot distress ink. I also did some stitching on the back side as well. And I used some ephemera that I just showed you, and this is one of the doll images from the stack that I showed you, and I absolutely love these images. I also used one of Holtz's tokens, and I think they are really nice. And some more ephemera. It's held closed with this elastic, and it has room to grow. And here I created a pocket. I have some more ephemera from the collection, and inside here I have some stickers and some more ephemera for her to use if she wants to. Here's some of the washi tape. And I kept it quite simple because I wanted her to have room for photos and journaling. And I did some stamping right here. And this is some of the washi tape. I love this washi tape as well. And this is my favorite sheet from the paper collection. And here I have a paper clip with a bow that I created. I used my magnolia bow die to create this one. And under here I have a vellum bag that I created with the die that I showed you. And inside I have some more ephemera for her to use if she wants to, because I'm not sure if she has this paper collection or not. I really love this snowman stamp. Oops. And some more washi. And this is a really nice sheet as well. And in the center I do have an acetate piece. This came with the paper collection. I'm sorry for the glare. It's really nice with all these snowflakes. Oops. And here I have another bow on a paper clip and some ephemera from the collection, some more stamping. And on the back side I have another pocket with some more stickers and some ephemera and some beautiful washi tape. So yeah, this is the Christmas journal that I created for a friend of mine, and I really hope she likes it. I don't know if she's doing December daily or if she's journaling on, with Christmas time at all, or during Christmas time, I'm sorry. But I really hope she likes it. I had a lot of fun creating this one, and I hope you like my journal too. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you are all having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.